How well did you know Chad? I know they maybe had met and developed a relationship over the past year and a half or so, but they got married pretty quickly, especially soon after both of their spouses had passed. How well did she know him, and how well did you guys know him?
I don't know the first time when Lori met them, or met Chad. I met Chad initially in the fall of 2018, and he was selling his books, and I met him, and he was very quiet and humble guy that just seemed kind of kept to himself, and I had no reason to think anything other than he's just trying to sell his books and just be a good person. And Lori and Chad had a friendship, and I don't know when they initially met. I think they shared some spiritual beliefs, or would talk about it with his books or ideas in his books. But I can't speak to their relationship and why they got married fast. And I know Ian and I got fast, and we kind of act on faith and get our own answers of what's right for our own situations. And